How to recover Coinbase account. So let's get started. First of all, open up any web browser that you want and on the search URL type in coinbase.com. That will take you to the official web page of Coinbase. So first of all, navigate to top right corner and click on the sign in button. Then you will be taken into sign in portal. So first of all, you have to enter your email address associated with your Coinbase account. Then click on continue. Now, it will ask you to enter your password. Since we don't remember our password and we would like to recover our password, click on this link provided that says forget password. Now it says reset your password. To reset your password, you have to enter email address that you have access to or linked with your Coinbase account. Then click on reset password. Now, instructions to reset your password have been sent to your email. Now open up the Gmail in your device and then check for an email from Coinbase to recover your password. Open it up and then there you will have a button to reset your password. Click on it. After you click on it, you will land on the next page where you can reset your password. So there you'll find a prompt to type in your new password. Type in your new password that you like to reset and under that confirm your password. After that, click on this button that says update your password. And once you do that, your password of your Coinbase account will be changed. Now you can log in back with Coinbase account with the new password that you have created. And that's how you can recover Coinbase account. That's all for today's video. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. And thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.